Hey, so currently there's a severe weather outbreak going on in Kentucky, Arkansas. A 4 out of 5 risk, which is a moderate. And right now, a tornado warning was just issued for, let's see. So the tornado was issued for Independence, Izard, Sharpstone, Arkansas. Expires in 26 minutes. Let's see the velocity on this. And there is kind of a velocity couplet right here. Just to make sure, I'm gonna check correlation coefficient. Yeah, no sign of a tornado on the ground right now. So right now that is the only tornado warning. But up here in Kentucky, there is this storm that has a strong rotation. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this may be a tornado. It's a chance. I don't think so. Okay. Let's check the storms in. Yeah, storms in Texas, northeastern Texas are kind of pretty strong. But none of them have rotation in it. I mean, I'm not surprised. So northeastern Texas don't think it's gonna be tornadoes. Right now it's weak storms. High-end severe storms, actually. Okay. So back to the severe storm in right here in Arkansas, which it is tornado warned. We don't know which one's the closest. It's this one. Okay. It has some rotation in it. It sounds like getting weaker though, the rotation. Correlation coefficient. Yep, no sign of tornado on the ground. Radar indicated rotation. Heading northeast at 55 miles per hour. Let's check this storm up here. That hail core. That is a huge hail core. Look at that. Okay, velocity. Some rotation trying to get together. Not really strong, but it's trying, I guess. It's my first time using radar scope. I like it so far, I guess. Yeah, no storms in the DFW area, mainly just east of it. still the only tornado warning right now is right here. It's trying to get together with the hook echo, as you can see. Trying to do that classic hook echo shape like that. But I just can't do it. It just bends more. The rotation is right over Mount Pleasant. Okay, so the tornado warning for Cave City, Mount Pleasant, Cushman, Sydney, Evening Shade, rotation trying to get together right here. For Mount, yeah, right here. Southeast by like a mile of Mount Pleasant. The hail is 1.75 inch. Pretty big. Yeah, this storm has weak winds. Honestly, it's not like a wind threat on the storm. It's just like 40 miles per hour wind speeds, 30, 45, but there's also some 50s and 70s. Wow, that's strong. I'm focusing on the storm near. I'm focusing on this storm. Where did it go? How did I just do it? It's in Kentucky. Yeah, tornado warning, Missouri. This is a storm that I was just looking on. Tornado warning was just issued for a seed correlation coefficient. Wait a minute, that might be a tornado on the ground. It's 2.75 inch hail. That is huge hail. If it is a tornado, it's around a 0.8 mile wide. But you can see like that kind of classic hook shape right there. And the tornado warning for Advance, Whitewater, Allenville, Delta, Chaffee, whatever, Dutchtown, take cover. Maybe if it starts heading more southern, it'll probably hit Bell City right here. Both. Okay, it's just now there was a radar update. Wait, let's see this radar update. Velocity. Oh yeah, you can see rotation's getting stronger right here. Or right here. Okay, have a classic hook shape yet. Now this storm. Now the storm back here in this area, it kind of does have a hook. Like right here. It's a really small hook. Let's just check velocity. Yeah, rotation is right here. Right where the hook is. As you can see. So only two tornado warnings, one in Missouri, one in Arkansas. One in Missouri for Cape Girardeau, Bollinger, Scott, Stoddard, Wayne counties in our Missouri. And then the tornado is trending in Arkansas, Independence, Izard, Sharp counties in Arkansas. Okay. I'm going back here to this tornado warning back here in Missouri, Cape Girardeau, and it's trying to form like more rotation. It's like a, look just this. Oh yeah, this is classic. Look at this. So this is heading right here, and this is heading right here. And then they're pushing so much force that they start rotating and it's just spinning tornado, okay? That's basically how it works. Let's check correlation coefficient. Maybe, actually, yeah, that may be a tornado. Also right there. Yeah, that actually might be a tornado right here on the ground. Yeah, look, this is broad rotation, strong rotation. Let's check correlation coefficient. Check this other tornado warning back here. I can't tell if there is going to be if it is a tornado, but we're saying this rotation is strong. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, rotation getting stronger every single update. And let me tell you, this radar updates every 2 minutes. Look at that. Now that's a classic velocity couple. Correlation coefficient. CC. Nope. No sign of a tornado. Let's check reflectivity. Yep, it has that hook. You can see that. Like without take out this isn't a part. Like this isn't rain. It just shows there. Look, that is a hook. And now if there would be a tornado, let me just redo that hook. That looked ugly. Now, if there would be a tornado, it would probably be somewhere here. Like a debris ball, we'd probably see it right here. Okay, radar just updated again. Told you every 2 minutes. Let's go to one of these destructive super thunderstorms. Honestly, can't find one. Yeah, it's the super thunderstorm we're gonna. This one in Arkansas expires in 12 minutes. But don't let your guard down. Like, don't get out of safety. Because there's still strong rotation. They might actually. Yep, I was gonna say. They made a new one, expanding it. That rotation is strong. Okay, Cave City, Sydney, Evening Shade. You're in this tornado ring. So is Clark, Garland, Hot Spring, Montgomery, and Pike. Pike was in it before. Check this. Yeah, strong rotation. Oop. Oop. Classic. Well, okay, now back to the string ring in advanced Missouri. It's baseball size tail. And strong rotation still. They're gonna keep on rotating. Yeah, classic hook echo actually. See that? Huge hook though. Correlation coefficient. Nope, no sign of a tornado. Makes sense. Most of the precipitation is going to be up here where the hill is. Okay, so back to this tornado warning. The one that they just, the new tornado warning. Okay, new tornado warning. Glenwood, Amity, Mountain Pine, Piney, Rockwell, Hot Springs. And now I'm still like Lake Hamilton still, like tornado might move a little southeastern when it's up here in Piney. So go to your cover, Lake Hamilton. Rotation, oh dang. Oh, wow, that's strong rotation. That's really strong. Look at that. That is strong rotation. See that? Hold up, let me just go tilt 2. Did you see this? Tilt 3 was the same thing. Tilt 4. Easy. Okay, so 3 tornado warnings, 1 from about to be expired. This one is one of the weak ones. Because look at the rotation, that's not that strong. They made it smaller. Okay, tornado on the ground. Cave City. Okay, there's two tornadoes on the ground. Gosh, you can see that. Let's go to super relative velocity right here. Let's go to correlation coefficient. Yeah, you can see that tornado on the ground for Independence and Sharp, Sydney, Cave City, Evening Shade, Strawberry. You're under a tornado warning. The tornado is on the ground, heading straight for you. Now this other one with the tornado on the ground near Advance, Whitewater, Allenville, Delta, Caffey, Dutchtown, Gordonville, Jackson, and Marble Hill in Missouri. Still really strong rotation north of Advance. Yeah, super res and storm relative both. Yeah, you can see that velocity couplet. No, correlation. CC drop. Right there. Now, there's not a tornado on the ground for like this one in Arkansas. Well, there's still, the rotation's obviously weakening on this one. But it's still a tornado warning, so don't get your cards up. Yup, tornado. Right there. Okay, yep. Look at that. That's the debris. Look. So I'm gonna show you. Red, and anything below, that's regular like rain and stuff. And anything after that, that's debris. So right here near east of Evening Shade. Tornadoes on the ground. Collision coefficient. Yep, right here. Now look. Just to double check, like specific differential phase. No, differential activity. Yup, still there. Just strong. Even shade, you need to be in your safe spots. This is a strong tornado, violent tornado. Not gonna lie, rotation's actually kind of weakening. Yeah, right here. This other one in Jackson, Marble Hill, Gordonville, like those cities. This one is still strong. With 2.7 baseball size tail, you guys need to take cover. Look at that rotation. Look at that. Violent rotation. Imagine this rotation. Yeah, that's heading straight for you. Whitewater, Allenville, Delta. That's heading straight for you. Okay. 2 tornadoes on the ground right now. Okay, so 3 more minutes. No, actually 2 more minutes. This tornado warning is gonna expire. The National Weather Service has stated the storm, which prompted the warning, has weakened. True, I saw that. This one had a tornado on the ground for like 2 minutes, and that was it. But still, there is still a tornado on the ground here in Missouri. Strong rotation, violent. Yep, that is correlation coefficient right there for you. That's a CC drop. That is debris in the air. That is debris. Just straight up debris. So, right there, heading straight for Allenville. Yeah, heading straight for Allenville, Delta, and Whitewater. And after that, Dutchtown, if it stays on the ground, there's a strong, violent tornado. It's heading